Hey everybody, it is Nettie Morris. I'm the mom who was laid off turned digital entrepreneur. And my passion is helping others start their very own digital franchises right on these internet streets. So today, folks, welcome to my channel, particularly if you are new coming to my channel. All right. I'm going to jump right into it. What do I want to talk about? I want to talk about an oldie but goodie, a simple way for you to make money every day there is online. Okay? Every day there is online. And so you are probably here because you want to make some money online. You want a simple way to do it. You want something that is not going to have you pulling your hair out, and something that you can do in addition to anything else that you're doing. Well, today, folks, the thing that I want to talk about, I've talked about it before on my channel, but I want to come back and reiterate, revisit, let you guys know that I'm still in it to win it with email processing system. That's right, email processing system. So what you're looking at here is simply my website, okay? My website. And so what is email processing system? What is it? Well, folks, it's about the simplest thing that you can do, particularly if you are new online or if you're a seasoned person online. This is another revenue stream you can add. And all we do is copy and paste ads on social media. And then when people purchase, we send them an email. Simple, right? Real simple, I know. And so, is pre-written ads. We've got it all laid out for you. And then you send the people an email. Is as simple as copying and pasting. So, who is this perfect for? Like you can see on the screen here, I won't say everything, every category, but people who are unemployed, all right? People who are not making enough money, the disabled, retirees, college students, anybody can do this. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. And so, I basically told you guys how it works. We copy and paste ads on social media. You're on social media anyway, scrolling and scrolling. What if you could be on social media and getting paid? That would be much better, right? That would be much better. And so with email processing system, right? You can see how quickly that could add up. You process 3 emails a day, 75 bucks. 5 a day, 125 bucks. And it just goes up exponentially from there. Now, what I really want you guys to know is that, you can get started. You can get started in this business for as little as 25 bucks. That's right, I said it, 25 bucks, right? Or we have two other options, which I do recommend, right? Either the $50 option or the $100 option. So you can start at either 25, okay, if that's what you want, or you can start at 50, or you can start at 100. What do you get? What do you get with each of these, right? So the $25, that's the basic package, gives you, the ads, the pre-written ads, gives you training on Craigslist. Um, it's awesome. It's awesome. It works. But if you go a little bit further, right, for the $50 level, not only are you getting the basic package, but you're getting some other stuff too that's really going to set you apart and help you, be able to come on these internet streets and dominate, make those sales. So the $50 level gives you, in addition to the basic package, the elite marketing strategies, Instagram domination, Craigslist domination, Facebook takeover, and a closing script. Okay. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. And when you're coming online, especially when you're new, there are a lot of things you don't know. You don't know how to navigate, but this will help you to set you up for success. Then there is the $100 level, right? So with the $100 level, you get the basic level plus the $50 level, which is the elite level, and you get YouTube total takeover, right? YouTube is the for those of you guys don't know, YouTube is the shiznit because you got people coming to YouTube who definitely are looking for something specific, and if you have it to offer, they'll buy it from you. Instagram 5K formula and the 5K $5,000 blueprint for success. 5,000 blueprint. So all of these things, whether you come in at the $25 level, or whether you come in at the $50 level, or whether you come in at the $100 level, any of them is going to help you set you up for success. And the higher ticket levels are going to give you that much more ammunition to be able to come out the gate dominating. Now, you guys, I have several videos, and I'll do a link to one in here of proof. I have proof of me making money with email processing system. So, as I like to say, why not you? Why not now? So, I'm going to put my link below in the description. So, if you're ready to get started, click on that link and let's get you started. Let's get you started. I mean, it's no better time than right now going into, the holiday season to rack up that holiday money or some extra money for the holidays. So if you guys could, please, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. And with that, folks, you guys have a awesome rest of the day. Bye-bye.